Can you name this fruit in English? Watch till the end. Apple. Apple. What is this? This is an apple. Banana. Banana. What is this? This is a banana. Orange. Orange. What is this? This is an orange. Mango. Mango. What is this? This is a mango. Grapes. Grapes. What is this? These are grapes. Pineapple. Pineapple. What is this? This is a pineapple. Strawberry. Strawberry. What is this? This is a strawberry. Blueberry. Blueberry. What is this? This is a blueberry. Raspberry. Raspberry. What is this? This is a raspberry. Blackberry. Blackberry. What is this? This is a blackberry. Watermelon. Watermelon. What is this? This is a watermelon. Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe. What is this? This is a cantaloupe. Papaya. Papaya. What is this? This is a papaya. Kiwi. Kiwi. What is this? This is a kiwi. Lemon. Lemon. What is this? This is a lemon. Lime. Lime. What is this? This is a lime. Cherry. Cherry. What is this? This is a cherry. Peach. Peach. What is this? This is a peach. Plum. Plum. What is this? This is a plum. Apricot. Apricot. What is this? This is an apricot.